We sell a lot of these kits online, and I often wonder how people build them without all the jigging and everything. And so to kind of help with that process, we've changed things around. We was doing some designing for some big tractors, and kind of some of it carried over. So this is a pulling truck, 2145. And I just want you to look in there. I don't know if you can see it. Maybe you can see it better from this side. But there's actually 3 bulkheads. This one inside, and the one on the very inside. So now, when you buy one of these, you can just take your axle tubes that we provide with the kit, weld your spindles into them, slide them in there, and weld them in. Perfectly straight every time. All 3 of these holes here, they are all put on with our bar jig, so they're all perfectly in line. The studs are installed after we're done, so they're perfectly in line. Really, we can't make it much easier than this. Likewise, this one here is a heavy duty. Front plate's 1/2 inch. All the rest of the stuff is 1/4 inch. We make the exact same thing with a 1/2 inch front plate and an 1/8 inch body, which is what most of our stuff is. We can have them either way. We're actually going to be throwing a sale on these, so keep an eye out for it. Thanks.